On this MTM Hydro clip, we're going to cover how to build your own snub kit. And just so everybody's aware, this can be a dangerous practice. We'll always advise you to use a lance or an extension on the end of your gun in order to spray something down or clean anything. So to do this, typically you'll need 3 to 4 part numbers. And you've already got your hose from your pressure washer. Most commonly that hose is going to have an M22 on the end. So the first part you would need is this guy. And this is part number 24.0093. And this is a 3/8 male, that's this end, by M22, which is this end, brass twist seal plug. And this will screw in after you wrap it in Teflon tape 7 to 10 times. The other option is if you use a male plug. It depends on what your setup is. If you have a coupler here, then you would need a male plug that's 3/8 male, so stainless or plated steel is most common. This is going to be, for most household units, you're going to want an M22 on the end because that's pretty popular among the household pressure washers. And then your outlet is going to have a quarter male brass or stainless coupler. The quarter male brass is 24.0068, and I would again wrap this in Teflon, screw it in, and I'm good to go. All of our foamers have a fitting pack with them: 140263, 14.5001, and 140349. Each comes with a plated steel quarter male plug that goes into the foamer and then goes into your coupler on your gun.